stock ideas for tomorrow morning, and for that today, let's start with Navneet.
Hi Nikunj, LIC Housing is looking good. If you look at the counter, it's up about 9% in last 1 month. On year-to-date basis, it's up about 22%. And also technically, if you see the counter is trading above its 20, 100 and 200-day moving average. Well, what the analysts are saying, the housing market continues to be strong right now in India. Also, you had HDFC coming out with the numbers registering a good loan growth of almost 23% in Q1 on year-on-year basis. Also, the analysts are saying LIC Housing is trading at attractive valuations, and also if you look at the Bloomberg poll, almost 67% of the analysts have given a buy call on this counter. And do watch out for the numbers of this company which come out on July 24. The analysts are expecting good set of numbers.
Not one but plenty of factors which could help LIC Housing Finance at least in the near term. Sandeep Agle, tomorrow things will be volatile, things will be choppy. We've got a lot of news, we've got macro events, and we also have outcome of an EGOM. How should traders trade?
One is be light, so play on lesser quantity than normal and play on smaller moves. Don't try to target 3, 4, 5%. If you get 1, 1.5%, 2% or a little less than that, book it. I mean, at typically such days, that is what is ideally recommended action.
Stay on the sidelines, according to Sandeep Agle. Funny, let me phrase my question rather carefully. On a 10% decline, what would you like to buy? And on a 10% uptick, what would you like to sell?
Well, on a 10% uptick, I would like to lighten my pharma and FMCG holdings. And if there is a 10% decline, I would love to buy more of the private sector banks.
What would you like to buy on a 10% decline in terms of specific names, Funny?
Yeah, stocks such as Axis, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Old boring but stable businesses.
Well, predictable earnings as well. HDFC Bank is due to declare numbers on Friday, and this time around, even though nothing much is expected from HDFC Bank, the fact that HDFC Bank is at a new all-time high, those numbers will be very, very crucial and very, very important. Navneet, one down, second idea from you.
Well, Nikunj, watch out for Bata, as the analysts are saying. They expect some kind of correction coming in this counter. Well, it's a very prominent brand in the footwear retail market. If you look at this counter on year-to-date basis, it's given return of almost 65%. And also, if you look at the 52-week high for this counter, it's approximately 922. And currently, the stock is trading at levels of 871. In the last 6 months, it's rallied about 50%. So the analysts are expecting some kind of correction coming in this counter in the near term.